unbagging Moch Moch, and this time we have two. So we never ever unboxed these blind bags, only the boxes. So we are going to be unboxing these. So the thing is, you won't believe me, guys, but I found this at Dollar Tree. They probably just restocked, but I don't know why they put things from Walmart in there. I guess it's fine because, wow, finding this for only $1. So I can't wait to unbox it. You can collect 70 and above. And it's series, the little emoji with some glasses. I think it's summer. I hope you guys stay safe from the coronavirus because it's a big thing going on. But first, let's unbox this one. It's 5 and above. Let's do it with our scissors. What did we get? Ooh, I like how it's wrapped in there. What? What? We have 2 in 1? I did not expect that. But that's really cool. I think something wrong happened. Yep. Aw. Some of it got ripped. But hopefully, I don't think this is part of it. But the factory made it kind of weird. And it's clear. It's a moose, I think. And then we have another one. Hopefully it's better. But we only got it for the price of $1, so don't expect too much. This one is a cute little fish. Fishy, fishy. Okay, so the collector's guide. What? Wow, we got a sticker. Unicorn and just a whale. But anyway, let's check this out. So this is similar, I remember, even though it's been like almost a year. I remember that the collector's guide were, oh, and don't forget to check out the claw machine video, which was so fun. So here's the ones we could collect. First, let's see the fishes because it's right there. So here we got U-07, okay, 18. And I'm pretty sure it's just a common. So, but commons can be really cute, no matter what. And then the moose, I'm sad for this little guy, but it's probably unnoticeable because it's clear. And then he's right here, U-049. Okay, so now we have stickers. Oh my god, I love stickers. We can open up the next one from the bottom. Hope we don't get the same one. I thought I got the same one for a little bit, but let's unbox this one. So there ain't that much green. This one is similar color. I thought we got the exact same one, but this doesn't look like it. This is really cute. I wonder what it is. I can't identify it, but it's really cute. Okay, and then now we have, gotta have to be careful with packaging so we don't tear this little guy up. What did we get? Ooh, it's an octopus or squid. It's green though. It's very squishy. Similar colors. Let's see what sticker we got. We get it. So we got a sun and a bee. I love that. Let's see what we got. So the first one is one of these. I don't know what it is. But we'll find it soon. I think it's on, nope, there's only one side. So he's clear, he should look similar to the moose. could be this one. I think. But it doesn't have the bow. This makes me really confused. But anyway, let's find a squid or octopus. I think it's one of these. Maybe this one here. It's just another common, but it's fine. Because they're really cute. I think this one's my favorite. I wonder where it's at. I think it could have been this one, but it doesn't make that sense. Could it be a squirrel? Well, I think it's common because all of them, except the unicorn, are very, very common. And this cloud. So we got the Sunkissed. There's also Beach Babes, Swell Seas, Surf Squad, the Coasters. It's really cool. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now it's time for the rating. I'm giving it probably, I'm thinking 7 out of 10. It's just, oh my god, I keep on forgetting to know that you can't expect much. But what is this? What is this supposed to be? Is it supposed to be a tail? I don't think it's supposed to be on there, but 7 out of 10, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. So it was really fun to unbox with you guys. And see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Goodbye.